Right guys, for the purpose of this video I'm going to be using black duct tape, just so you can see it really. For the finished product, if you were to use this hinge, you would use some clear duct tape, very strong, with the advantage of it being clear so you can't see it. Right guys, I will be putting links in the description for everything I use. Right guys, so you're going to get a length of tape and also a cocktail stick. And what you're going to do is you're going to put the cocktail stick roughly in the centre of the tape. Yeah, like so. And then what you do there is you fold this over like that. Try to get it to grip the cocktail stick. There we go, so there you go, it's nice and straight, there's no creases in the tape. Lovely. So guys, I'm doing a clear one as we go as well. So there's a clear one. Right, so the next step is you're going to push the ruler right up to the butt of the cocktail stick, yeah? So it's right jammed there. And then you're going to basically do a cut down the side of the ruler with a sharp blade, watching your fingers as you go. There you go. So that should just come off nice and easy, leaving you. Right guys, this is a diagram. As standard, the duct tape comes in at 5 centimeters in width, and we want 5 tabs. So as you can see, I've done it with the black duct tape. So we've got 5 tabs. There you go, you've got your hinge all cut. So basically you're going to fold each one opposite ways, like so. Right guys, so you're going to put your tape, your clear tape that is, flat on the floor with the sticky side up, as you can see down there. And then you're going to get your hinge part. You need to be really careful with this, because you need to get the edge tucked in to this part here, you see, where your cocktail stick runs along. It needs to be snug in there. Push down on one tab, bring that tab back, push down on the other tab. Bring that one back, and then finally that one. Now you need to fold this bit of tape, and it needs to sit flush in the hinge like so. And then repeat the process on the other side. Right guys, so now you just need to tidy it up, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut it along there. Watch your fingers with a sharp knife. You can use scissors if you need to. There should be 4 cuts, nice and snug to the chopstick, the toothpick. That's your hinge, nice and strong. The toothpick side, that is your outer ring, so it would get, see, this is your enclosure, it would stick there like that. Right guys, so now we are going to stick the hinge onto the door of the enclosure. You want the cocktail stick out over. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue gun the outer edges of the tab. You can use any other safe adhesive for tarantulas. Here's a demo of it working perfectly. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And that's my cheap DIY hinge for you there. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up, and also if you're not a subscriber, click subscribe. Thanks very much. See you next time.